Welcome to our awareness video on the impact of agriculture on land use. Today, we embark on a journey to understand how farming practices' significant impact on our land and ways can has to reduce the negative effect of agriculture on land use. Agriculture is the science, art, or practice of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising livestock, as well as the processing and sale of the resulting goods to varied degrees. Agriculture is the most comprehensive term used to describe the various ways in which crop plants and domestic animals sustain the world human population by supplying food and other items. Biotechnology is a broad discipline that uses modern technologies to create biological processes, animals, cells, or cellular components. Biotechnologists' clinical new instruments, industries, and goods are beneficial in research, agriculture, and other significant fields. Agriculture biotechnology, a set of methods, including traditional breeding techniques, that alter living organisms or sections of organisms in order to create or modify goods, better plants or animals, or produce microbes for specific agricultural use. Agriculture biotechnology applications include disease-free plants, crop fortification, aquaculture reproduction, pest-resistant crops, biofuel, enzymes, fermentation, and increased yield. Rising population and demand for food, feed, fiber, and fuel are increasing competition for land. Next is the positive impact of agriculture biotechnology. The first positive impact is agriculture biotechnology save and restore crucial environments. Sustainable agriculture serves to maintain natural resources while also fostering social fairness and economic viability. Sustainable agricultural approaches strive to protect vital resources such as soil fertility, which is necessary for farming success. Other than that, reverses ecological succession is also one of the advantages of agriculture biotechnology. To assist early successional species persist in the absence of farmland, management operations such as prescribed burning may need to be purposely slowed. Agriculture biotechnology also can be used to improve soil health. Diverse crop rotations can help to decrease pests and illnesses particular to certain plant species, improve the health of soil microbes that feed nutrients to your plants, and eventually lead to higher yields. In addition to minimizing soil fatigue and hence ensuring constant yields, these practices boost biodiversity of beneficial soil fauna and flora. While agriculture biotechnology has brought remarkable advancements, it's crucial to shed light on the potential negative impacts it can have on our environment, which is our land. One of the negative impacts is agriculture occupies large area. In order to meet the global population's need, agriculture now occupies area the size of South America. Based on the assumption that a single person's minimum daily consumption is 2,000 kilocalories, we will require more land the size of Brazil, 2.1 billion acres, to meet world food demand if we continue with current farming practices. Other than that, every year, more than 12 million hectares of productive arable land are badly degraded and abandoned. Lastly, the use of agrochemical fertilizers and tillage practices has a negative influence on soil degradation and erosion. Soil bacteria mineralize and repurpose minerals held up in decomposing plant debris, making essential plant nutrients available to plants. Chemical fertilizers bypass this microbial phase and offer plants with an immediate, typically excess, supply of nutrients. We continue our exploration of agricultural biotechnology. While we've discussed the negative impacts it can have, it's important to highlight the proactive measures we can take to mitigate these effects. There are a few ways to overcome the negative impact of agriculture biotechnology. One of it is by vertical farms. Vertical farms are a revolutionary style of farming in a controlled environment in which solar radiation is completely replaced by artificial lighting that offers the appropriate nanometers of the spectrum for plant growth and development. Vertical farms are completely isolated from the outside environment. Plants grow in soilless cultivation systems such as hydroponic, roots immersed in multiple substrates, aeroponic, soilless air/mist solution, or even aquaponic, co-cultivation of fish and hydroponic plants, in vertical farms. Hydroponics provide a significant advantage since they are typically installed in close or semi-closed loops that return excess water containing the enhanced nutrient solution to a collective tank for redistribution back to the growth area. Other than vertical farming, other ways to overcome the negative impacts on land used by agriculture biotechnology is by crop rotation. Planting different crops successively on the same piece of land helps promote soil health, optimize nutrients in the soil, and resist pest and weed pressure. A simple rotation may include 2 or 3 crops, while complex rotations may include a dozen or more. Last but not least, ecological intensification (EI) can also be practiced by farmer to mitigate agriculture biotechnology's negative impact on land used. Ecological intensification (EI) is the process of accelerating ecological processes in the cultivated space to increase performance. EI is one of the key pathways for improving agriculture sustainability, or its ability to meet the demands of current and future generations. As we come to the end of our awareness video, it's clear that agricultural biotechnology carries both benefits and potential negative impacts. However, by acknowledging these challenges and working towards sustainable solutions, we can harness the potential of biotechnology while minimizing its adverse effects. By practicing vertical farming, performing crop rotation, and promoting ecological intensification (EI), we can create a future where agricultural biotechnology coexists harmoniously with our environment, health, and society. Remember, it's crucial for us to stay informed, engage in open dialogues, and work together towards a balanced and sustainable future. Together, we can ensure that agricultural biotechnology is used responsibly and benefits us all.